Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
We're in Marseilles.
Are we?
We are. We're at Notre Dame du Gard. Yeah. It's on a big hill in the middle of the city. It was only a kilometer away.
All uphill.
All uphill.
All uphill.
So yeah, now we're gonna go walk around Marseilles, explore the city.
And all it has to offer.
And all it has to offer. We found a beach, but none of us took bathing suits.
I swim in pants anyways.
So Nate's gonna go in. Are you? He should.
Should. Won't.
Won't.
Just another scenery stop on this beautiful Marseille voyage. In the Balearic Sea.
Balearic. It's not the Balearic Sea.
That's what Google said.
No, like zoom right now. Zoom. This,
Tyrrhenian Sea.
the Mediterranean, is what I'm thinking
Why
of.
is there different sections of the sea?
How's it feel? We didn't even say the same thing.
Cold.
It's cold, eh?
It's not that.
Would you swim in it though?
Probably today, yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Hi.
Stop zooming in on me.
Why?
Why? No personal privacy, bro. Alright, let's go find a friggin' store to eat some friggin' food.
Some friggin' food, eh?
The local Liddell's is our home for the night. We will be living in aisle 3. That's where the oranges are. Here we are, my second home at the grocery store, looking for lunch and supper. Decent little haul, got myself a 35-cent baguette, some fromage, and the nougats. Trying to figure out what we're gonna get for supper. Also have a pain du chocolat, some framboise. Should be good. It is now time to explore the western side of Marseille. Might be going to a Ferris wheel, a huge castle thingy, and a glass house, I think. Did I miss anything?
There's a glass house.
Well, the museum thingy, I consider that glass. This is something we're not taking, thank goodness. We all know how much I like heights. Is that the only thing we have left to see? Last stop of our Western Marseille tour is is this cathedral. A lot of cathedrals here. Also have a huge cruise ship over here. 2 cathedrals is quite a lot, more than we have at home. Do we have any cathedrals? Would you consider the one down to the Basilica one?
I guess.
A cathedral minor is the only thing we have at home. Whereas here we have 2 large size cathedrals. Here we are, La Cathedral. Soul. So now we're gonna go back. I'm gonna finish my laundry, and we're gonna go get more pastries, and then that'll be it. Comfort, hospitality, amenities, trade-off. Bonsoir.
Welcome to Shaw.
Comment ça va?
Welcome.
Comme ci, comme ça.
Welcome à.
Bienvenue à
Bienvenue.
Shaw. So this is our second episode of the series. Tonight we're in Marseille. We've actually experienced this place for one night, so we should be able to give you a very comprehensive review of the environment. So, again, we're just going to jump right into it. We've explained in our first episode what Shaw stands for, but it's also pretty obvious. So first
It's
up,
not really a French word.
Shaw, cat is French. That's French.
Is cat French?
Cat's French.
Cats are French?
In French, cats is Shaw.
Oh, I'm aware.
Therefore, this is French. Okay, alright, so C. First word is C, which is comfort. I was going to say comfort.
Confortable.
So this is a little bit bigger than our last Airbnb. My bed's good. How's your bed?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's just a mattress on the floor. There's no box spring.
Still a bed. A bed is a bed.
What do you need a box spring? What is the use of a box spring?
I don't know. Lucas Ross also doesn't have one. Shout out to Lucas Ross. He's not living that box spring life, and he's got impeccable posture. So I think I'm gonna give it 4 Shaw out of a possible 5.
I'm gonna give it 4 Shaw out of 5 too.
Very good. All right. Next up we have.
Just be agreeable on this one.
Oh, well, this is very smoothly. Next up we have hospitality. What does that mean? Hospitality, you know what, this is going to score very well. We arrived to food. Our host was very great to set everything up. She left rosé in the fridge.
Did we finish that wine?
Some pain au chocolat, some rosé in the fridge. Communication was great. She helped us out. We had some issues with the train, as you guys know, and she was very good throughout all that. Yeah, so I mean, for hospitality, this is going to get a 5 shot out of a possible 5 because everything's been absolutely, I think it's been perfect. I couldn't have asked for anything really. I don't think I'm like, she could have done this, she could have done that, or this could be like that. I think it's 5 out of 5 for me, personally.
5 out of 5 shot, yeah.
Not even hesitation.
Okay, yeah. No, I agree.
I think so.
I'm gonna agree.
5
out of 5 shot.
Next up we have amenities.
Amenities.
Oh, sorry about that. So sorry.
Amenities.
We have a washer, but we don't have a dryer. We have a stove top, but we don't have a stove. Okay, for the audience, it suggested that I modify that to we have a stove top, but not an oven. So thank you for that, audience. We have a very long toaster.
It's for the baguette.
For a baguette, which you're also eating. Anyways, amenities. I'm gonna give it. I still think it's a 4.
Oh.
If it had the dryer and if it had the oven, it'd be a 5. But I think it's a 4 shot.
I can't give it 4.
That's good. You do you.
Because it really that oven. Just kills me.
I killed you because you tried to make fries.
We thought we had an oven, so we bought fries.
You bought fries.
I mean Courtney is we.
Okay.
And we didn't have an oven, so we had to fry the fries in a pan. And it didn't turn out great.
I fried nuggets in the same pan though, and it went beautifully.
I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 on amenities.
Okay, alright, so our final category is trade-off. So we paid $270 Canadian for 2 nights, which I think is...
I thought it was even less than
We're gonna go with
Okay,
263, I think it was.
Okay.
I think it was 263. We're paying $263 for 2 nights. The location's really good, decent amenities and great communication. For trade-off again, I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5.
I think 5 out of 5. Well, no, I'm gonna say 4.5.
I think that's stupid.
If we don't have an oven.
So hope you enjoyed our second episode of
Still a good score.
It's not great though.
4.5.
Would you rather get 4.5 on a test or 5?
I'd rather get 5, but 4.5 is still good.
I still feel like you complain about that. You're the type of guy who complained about that.
Yeah, I probably would, but
I'd be very happy, Justin. So that's
that's a 9. That's not that bad. I wouldn't complain. If I really screwed something, if it was my fault, but it's something stupid, I would complain about it.
Comment below if you think Ben would complain about getting a 4.5 out of 5. We didn't get it. I didn't post the other video.
What kind of test?
On any test. If you think he got a 4.5 out of 5 on anything, comment below if you think he'd complain. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. Thanks for watching today's episode.
My underwear smell okay.
Tomorrow morning, we got an early morning. We're waking up at 4:30 to catch a train, which is leaving Marseilles at 6. We're headed to Cannes. Yeah, that's just about everything. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. We'll see you in the next one.
Tomorrow can always be better. Hopefully see you there. I don't care.
See you then. Bye-bye.